crazy about my farmer's tale. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks my tractor's sexy. Begging you please. Does anyone remember this song? I love this song. I'm at you now. Ooh, okay. Motorcycle.
It's right, buddy.
That's fine by me. If you never leave, we can lay like this forever.
Whoa! I was gonna take a fucking right there. You would have been dead, motherfucker. Pass me on the right. Almost killed you, dude.
Guys, I'm gonna be vlogging tonight. I have some footage from a couple days ago, but I'm also gonna be vlogging tonight, and I think I'm gonna be doing a lot of vertical vlogging just because it's easier for me, and I feel like it looks better for quality. I don't know, might just be me, but anyway, so I'm just watching some YouTube videos. My dad's gonna be home soon, and then we're gonna go out to dinner, and yeah, I'm watching the Degrassi Eli Dorm Life Part 4. This is the rewrite one. It's the new one. I haven't watched it yet, so I'm gonna watch that now. And if you guys watched Degrassi and you saw last week's promo, Eclair is gonna be on next week's finale. My face looks really greasy, so I'm gonna powder it before we leave. Anyway, yeah, so I'm really excited. And that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I might be going on the boat, but I don't really know yet, so I guess we'll just see what happens. So I'm waiting for my dad as usual, and random blonde pieces are coming through my hair. Look at this. So we're going to Jamie's. I don't know if that's just like a New England place. It might be. I don't really know, but yeah, so we're going out to dinner, and my hair's curled, and I don't know how I like it, because I don't really like my hair curled. I like it straight. Anyway, I'm like really boring, I'm sorry. Oh, boobage. So, my dad lost his sunglasses, and he doesn't know where he lost them, so now we're at this little thing where he brings a dog for a walk, and he's searching the school before we go out to dinner. I don't know. Okay. They probably left him at work and he's still searching. He's a dork. Thought there was someone behind me. A little bit of cautious. Me no can stop me, no. Walking, just here is our party, and we do it always. My dad's still looking for his glasses, by the way. Get the bar, pocket, suitcase, all of my style, money. N-G-E-P-A-T-E-T-E. First track bus. So they say Boston, but they don't. What is this right here? Here we go back This is a moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up. Can't hold on. My dad thought the song was like a ceiling fan holder. I think he found his glasses. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Where are you? Dad! Got him. What? I told you they probably were on the bench.
If I waited till nighttime,
someone probably would have
tomorrow,
stepped on him or something.
yeah, I would have never found him. Oh. I usually wear these things on it, and I didn't.
Now you know to.
What's that? Will ya?
I'm vlogging him, like, I don't know if he got him. I think he got him. Dad, you got him?
Okay, now I can rest.
I was making fun of you going like this.
Got the AC on.
Oh. Na 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 na. Hey. I love this song. No.
After all that, I'm not gonna wear them.
I know.
Yeah, but I wanted them.
Well, yeah.
And I'm like, she said, I don't remember you having sunglasses on. I'm like, really?